Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Awuyemi. In this video, I'm going to talk about Avacoin and what you need to know how to get your profile verified. So let me click on this. So the link to Avacoin on Telegram is going to be under this video description. Click on that. It's going to direct you to where you are going to start game. You are going to click on start game. So how do you mine? Click on this gold in the middle. By that you are going to mine, but I think I have exhausted for today. So I've reached daily limits for today. I cannot mine again, so I have to come back tomorrow like that. So what we are going to do is to go to the first one is N. So let's click on that. So this is N now. So I think the only available one in this is market. Let me click on market. So this is P2P market. 1 gram equal to 75.9 USD. So this is it. Want to do P2P, and let's go to the next one, that is market. So this is market too. So this is the same thing. So if you want to buy or if you want to sell, that's how. Let's click on boost. So this is boost now. So all the tap the first one. So this is buy booster 30 USDT. So auto tap mining boost, miner boost. So this is going to help you to boot automatically while you have online or offline. It's going to help you, or you are even not on the app. The next one is more boost soon, be patient. That is more booster is coming soon, so be patient. And for the skins, under the skins is coin skin. So this coin skin, also this was skin. So this was skin again, that is the same thing. And Avacoin skin, so it's coming soon. So let me click on the back button. So this is my profile now. So how do you get verified? So guys, you are not going to use Gmail, you are going to use Outlook or Yahoo. So I recommend Outlook is the fastest one. So if you want to use Yahoo, it's possible you might not even get the verification code. They are going to send it to your number to verify your yahoo.com that you want to create. So go and use Outlook. Download the app now. So once you download the app and you create your Outlook account, you are going to use that your Outlook email or your verification. So and they are going to approve it like that. So this is active USDT. So this is all what you just need to know. And swap those into gold. So this is the current rate. 800,000 Avacoin is equal to 1 dust gold, 1 dust. So collected gold coins, nothing. So that's all what you need to know, and you can check it out. So this is it. This all it looks like now. So this booster, you have no active booster. If you want to buy a booster now, so this is the booster. It's going to bring you to this page again. So let's go to contest now. So this is contest, this is the competition. I think these are the people that they are ranking high in Avacoin. So this in all time, and this in 2 weeks now. So that's all what you need to know about contest. So let's go to the next one, and that is friends. So this friends now, I don't have any referrals, so make use of my link in this video description. So the next one is team. I think okay, this team, if you want to join, you can join. I joined the number 1. I joined Proton. That is the one that I joined. And the last one is tax, that is coming soon. So this is all what you should know. If I click I want to mine now, so can see now there is daily limits. So guys, I'm going to see you my next video. Make sure that you subscribe, turn your bell notification, like this video, and make sure that you use Avacoin link in this video description. Click on that. Peace.